the most requested video that we have right now. It's the cybersecurity coding project, which will going to give you unfair advantage. So this is for all those people, those who want to get a job, those who are working in a college, and those who want to pursue a very good domain in cybersecurity. So how to get a job, because you can showcase what exactly you have done, right? So project is the best way to show something what exactly you know, right? So first we just give you a very short disclaimer what exactly we are going to cover in this video and who are the targeted audience. So this is for the student, okay, which is who is in cybersecurity, right? Which who is in cybersecurity, the people those who want to build a portfolio, okay, the bug bounty hunters, okay, and basically the aspirant, SOC aspirant, right? Who's our people, those who are in cybersecurity, they can get a do this thing, right? To get very good job, right? Because there's a lot of people who are trying, and I have figured out the best possible project that you can use, right? So let me start very quickly. And guys, by the end of this video, we are going to give you a 5+ unique cybersecurity project, which will be a bonus point for this video, and that are actually going to build a skill and stand out of the recruiters. And basically in cybersecurity we play CTFs, right? For the CTF organizations as well. So guys, right now everyone will tell you to learn Python and do labs as much as you can, but no one is going to tell you what project actually give you unfair advantage in cybersecurity, right? Am I true? Just let me know in the comment box. So in this video, I'm going to give you the 5+ project, extra project, right? And that will not make you smarter, but also make recruiters and even hackers to take a notice on you, right? So I just told you a lot of things, but let me start. So this is actually if you're red teamer, if you're blue teamer, if you're security person, bug bounty hunters, this all for you, and this will make you think like a hacker, right? So first thing that we can do is building a keylogger, right? Let me make it little thick. So building a keylogger, which is something good one, right? And why I'm telling building a keylogger, because building a keylogger will teach you how input hook works, right? Which is very much important to cybersecurity, and what antivirus look for, and how actually attackers avoid detection. So this is what you're going to learn in this part, and this is going to give you something good for you. So and I'll tell you disclaimer, this is for ethical purpose only. I'm just giving you advantage, right? What you can do. So add-ons, what you can do is you can look for the email exfiltration. You can all add all those things. You can get a very good idea. Chat GPT research, right? You can keep a persistence across reboot, which is going to be hide your keylogger, and there is the anti-analysis. Okay, which is far a little advanced, but it's a evasion technique, right? Why I'm telling this thing, because evasion technique is very much important. Okay, if you are because like if someone is going to run antivirus, probably it will catch you, but evasion technique is something that you need to worry about. So this is for the education purpose only. And guys, I'll tell you one small line: red teamers and malware analysis need to understand this, right? Because that if you want to be an offensive domain, this is something good for you, right? So just do this part, and this is not just a conceptually, but by building it as well, right? So this is the first project that we have. Second project that we should do is, I don't know why it's not taking. uh, Let me keep second one. Okay, so second project is something which is probably one of the best: packet sniffer and network. So guys, here you can use Python. You can use Python, plus there's a very beautiful library which is called Escape. Okay, which is going to help you a lot. So guys, this is going to teach you the network protocol structures, manage the middle attack insights, and packet level thinking, right? Which is very much good for the people those who want to get into network analysis, right? SOC, red teamer, blue teamer. This is good for you. So you can do this thing. And guys, if you can't dissect a packet, you're not ready for a blue teaming or bug bounty, right? As I told you, because in bug bounty you need to look for the packets, right? Bob suit, and there's a lot of tools that you need to use in bug bounty, right? And in networks, it's compulsory. Okay, Wireshark is something that do the same thing, but you need to do a little bit smaller, right? So this project will going to give you a deep visibility into what actually flowing over the wire, right? You'll understand. So what are the borders challenges you can do? What are the extra thing you can do is add a GUI, right? Uh, that will show you real time packet logs. This is what we can do. Next thing, you can highlight suspicious activity, probably a DNS tunneling or port scan. Okay, so guys, this is what you can do. If someone is scanning a port, you can show you by highlighting that part. And DNS tunneling is also something which is good that you can add, right? There's a lot more thing that you can do, but this is what I told you. Okay, that will be the best part. So just do it out. Okay, and that is going to just give you a very good kick into your resume. Now the next thing that we can look for is third project. Okay. Third project can be a JWT vulnerability. Don't look for the what I said, typo errors, because I do a lot. So what you can use Python or Go, which is Go will be the most recommended. So what are things you can do? So right now JWTs are everywhere in the web app now, and misconfiguration is a goal for the hackers. So if you look for what is JW on Google, you will simply get, okay, this is a JSON web tokens, which is a standard used in security transmission of information between a client and a server. Okay, between the front end and back end. So JWT is widely used. So if you'll get misconfigurations, that is going to be a very good thing for you. So you can create a JWT vulnerability scanner using Python and Go. So I'll just give you example. Imagine having you own tool that will find the weak signing algorithm, none algorithm, and public key exposure. So that is something going to be game changing. If you add on your GitHub as well, you will get a lot of views, right? So that is what you can do. What add-on you can do for this is you can add a signature spoofing attempts, right? This is what you can do. Second thing what you can do is you can decode or verify tokens, which is used in JW is JW tokens that we say. And third thing is CLI interface or even web dashboard. Okay, that's what you can do. Okay, a web dashboard which will be better for you can do it a cloud based, which will going to cost you a bucks, but that is going to someone will purchase as well. If you'll tell me, I'll purchase your tool. Right, so that's what you can do. This is good. Okay, now the next one is one of my favorite, okay, which is OSINT automation bot. Okay, if you're going to propose any cyber cell, they are probably going to purchase you, right? So what you can do, OSINT, you can use Python language. Okay, and guys, OSINT for pen testers, recon, and even bug bounty hunters. Okay, this is something what you can do using OSINT automation bot. So this bot is going to scrap the emails, username, and leak and subdomains, which is a kind of theft knife, right? And this is going to give you a very unfair advantage in your resume, right? So I personally recommend to do the OSINT automation bot, which is going to be a very good, even if you're not planning to do a job, you can build a product by using all those things whatever I'm going to tell you. Okay, so you build it once, and then during recon, boom, instant recon advantage by using this tool, right? So what you can do, you can use Sodan, right, which is widely, you probably know what is Sodan, hunter.io, and best bin scrappers. Pastebin is kind of, if you want to share me a uh, something, some text to me, you can open a website which is called Pastebin. Pastebin, right? So this is Pastebin that we have number one pest tools in since 2020 2002. So you can simply type whatever you want to share with me, then just log in, create account, and you can share directly to me, right? Name whatever you want, right? So this is actually what people do. They just enter some sort of password and all those things here, right? Very sensitive things as well. They simply just send someone, and you can find out by using a simple dog, right? Because it will list on the Google. So this is what you can do. You can basically scrap the space bin as well. There's a lot of scrappers on GitHub. Just win. Okay, so there's a lot of scrappers that you can integrate. This one, paste bin scrapper, simple scrapping that is going to target the website paste bin. So that's what you can do even by simply Google Doc. You can find it, right? And you can also do one more thing. The output can be on Telegram. Okay, Telegram. When someone is going to type the website name, someone is going to type what exactly they want, website scanning or something. They just give you a input on Telegram. You can simply find a tutorial on YouTube how to create a Telegram bot, and you can integrate all those things on Telegram and get an output on Telegram, right? So that is what you can do. Now fifth is little advanced and something which is good for the people those who want to get a job in SOC, right? So I'll just tell you fifth number, which is SIM log simulator and analyzer, which is for the blue teamer. Okay, because this is security part, so blue teamer is something which is defending this thing. So what you can use Python or Bash, which is the best thing for this one, best languages. So why it's important for the blue teamers? Because most SIM tools are black boxing. They are doing the black boxing things. But this project is going to help you to understand the log sources and the simulate real attacks as well. So you will learn what normal look like, and how to script weird behavior into the log, and that's how you train your blue team brain, right? Now, what you can do, you can actually simulate brute force. In this, you can simulate phishing. You can simulate privilege is privilege escalation events. You can export it as a JSON or CSV, which will be the best format. XLSS you can do, but CSV is the better one, widely supported. You can export as JSON and CSV export, and you can use Kibana or Grafana dashboard. So this is what you can use SIM simulators, right? This is going to be very much helpful for you, right? Now that's what I told you. The 5 project: cybersecurity one, building a keylogger, packet sniffer, and JWT vulnerability scanner, which is best. So if you'll tell me what exactly I do from all these 5, then I'll recommend for the blue teamers OSINT automation board, SIM log simulators. If you're a red teamer, JWT vulnerability scanner, packet sniffer, and network analyzer, and build a keylogger if you're a red teamer, right? But if you want very good advantage, then all those things and just add in resume and you'll get a job very easily. But as I told you, I'll give you something bonus, extra thing that you can do, extra projects, 5 bonus project. Okay, so what you can do, first thing you can do is customer accesses payload generator. If you know about, if you have knowledge about web application pen testing by what is, then this is what good for you. Okay, C2 like application script using Discord API. Okay, then you can do burp suit, which is widely used to auto test for broken authentication. Right. Next, browser extension that shows cookie flags, CSP headers. This is what you can do. 5 bonus projects. So actually, guys, these aren't just a cool project. They are going to give you a very unfair advantage. They build your brain and your repo and your reputations as well. So that's what you can do. Just upload on GitHub for ethical purpose only and just do for your project. If you found this video valuable, just like drop a like, share it with the hackers group, and subscribe, because I'm dropping more high impacting content every week, every day, every hour, right? So just hey, tag me if you build any of these, and I want to see what you have created. You can tag me on GitHub, you can tag me on Twitter, X, Insta, right? My username is M Kumar Cyber, or my company username is VIEH Group. So just tag me. I want to see exactly what we have created, and just let me know in the comment box what you feel. So thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day. See you tomorrow.